Have you ever wondered why dogs are man's best friend? In the next few seconds, you'll learn some fascinating facts about dogs. Dogs can recognize over 250 words and gestures. A dog's sense of smell is 40 times better than ours. The Basenji dog is known as the barkless dog. Dogs can hear frequencies twice as high as humans can. Dalmatians are born completely white and develop spots as they age. Greyhounds are the fastest dogs, reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Dogs' noses are unique, much like human fingerprints. Ever noticed how often dogs lick their noses? It's to keep them moist and enhance scent detection. Dogs' sweat glands are located in their paws. Dogs dream similar to humans, often replicating their daily activities. Hit the like button if you found this useful.